It took 1,004 days to break the 2007 all-time high for the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and then just one day to do it again.
The Dow rose 42 points to 14,296, and here to tell us what to do now is Jill Schlesinger from CBS MoneyWatch.com. She's up in New York. Hey, Jill, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So I'm getting a sense that people don't seem to feel as happy about the record this time around. You think?
You're absolutely right. And I think some comparisons from 2007 to today explain that feeling. You know, 5.5 years ago, the unemployment rate was 4.7%. Today, it's 7.9%. Nationally, home prices, they're down about 25 to 30% from then. The average price for a gallon of regular gas, don't get too crazy, it's about $1 more today, $2.76 then, $3.74 now. And even though the stock market index has more than doubled since it bottomed in 2009, when we adjust for inflation, here's your bummer of the morning, the Dow is still below its 2000 peak. We have to get back up over 15,700 to break what's called the real record, the inflation-adjusted record.
Okay, now despite this improvement, a lot of people still haven't taken part in the stock market recovery, though. Why is that, you think?
Well, I think people really got spooked by the gyrating markets over the last 5 years, and who can blame them? But as a result, they pulled about $550 billion from U.S. stock mutual funds since October 2007. Here's a sign that we often get lured back in after markets have already gone up. In just the first 2 months of this year, people have put $55 billion into equity mutual funds. So people getting back in, but only after the stock market's gone up.
All right, Jill, right here, right now, jump in or get out. What should investors do right now?
Okay, I want you to use these records to prompt some action. Open those statements, review where you stand, make sure your risk level is consistent with your comfort level. Force yourself to rebalance. I know it's hard, but if you've got a pile of money in stocks, maybe it's time to shift that to bonds and cash. Don't forget to beef up your cash for some near-term funding needs. Maybe you got a tuition check coming up, a car, a home down payment. On MoneyWatch.com, we are asking, how do your savings stack up? I know you shouldn't compare yourself to your neighbors, but let's do it anyway.
Let's do it. All right, let's roll with that. Thanks, Jill.
Friendly competition.
Yeah,
Thanks,
right.
Jill.
Thanks so much.
Take care.